Hi, I'm Max, you can call me D, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi and welcome. So I wanted to start like a tiny little Vlogmas series, which is gonna consist of just 3 little videos that are gonna be Christmas themed, coming up to Christmas. And in today's video specifically, I'm gonna be trying to get myself into the Christmas mood because it's the 30th of November and I just don't feel Christmassy enough. I feel like. Now mind you, I love feeling Christmassy. My issue is that I just really pushed Christmas away from me this year for some reason. So I need to bring the Christmas back to me because I pushed it away for a longer time than I usually do. I tend to get Christmassy already around like September and stuff, but I pushed it away this year because I was like really busy with everything. So I want to bring the Christmas spirit back. So what I'm going to do that, in this video specifically, is that I'm gonna be explaining the way I do gifts. I'm gonna be watching a Christmas movie. I've been starting to pick it out on the TV. I'm not really an actual movie person. I prefer like animated movies, but that's just the child within me. Also, please excuse how I look. I slept in my makeup and I kind of look like shit. Anyways, enough yapping. I'm gonna get to the gift explaining and the funny picking of the movies. There's a Christmas Boss Baby. See, that's what catches my attention. Christmas Boss Baby. Why is there a Christmas movie with a cowboy? It's like a story for kids, mostly. It doesn't have any words in it. It's called Buttonmutt. That's what it looks like. It's just about 2 dudes who live together and they are like incredibly like I wouldn't say stupid, they're pretty smart, but stuff just doesn't work out for them. And fun fact, this fairy tale for kids originally started as communist propaganda against gay couples, so that it could show that 2 men can't live with one another because it would end up badly. But eventually it like lost all the meaning and it was just like a really silly thing to watch. And they have a winter themed one, so I'm just gonna watch that. And while I do that, I'm going to try to get some work done on one of the last gifts that I have to make, because I crochet half of my gifts and the other half I buy. Because number 1, I'm broke, and number 2, I feel like handmade gifts just have a little bit of like, you know, that lovely feeling that the person spent enough time to think of you and to make it for you. And this is how far along I am in the first one. I'm gonna flip my camera real quick. Okay, I had to move to the floor so I could put like a paper under it so you can actually see the pattern, but it's like this really cute flower-ish pattern, and it's really short, but I have to make 2 sleeve panels, 1 back panel and 2 front panels, so I need 5 panels of this, and this is like the first panel, and this is how far along I am, and I don't like this, and I have like 2 weeks to finish it. So I'm gonna try to lock in and get some stuff done today on this, and maybe we're gonna pack some gifts, I'll see. Also, for anybody who's curious and who noticed that my room isn't really Christmas decorated just yet, and that is because my family tends to Christmas decorate pretty late in December. We start decorating around the 20th, I think, so don't worry, the Christmas decorations are gonna come in later. You're gonna get them in the next Vlogmas videos. But for now, just enjoy this footage of me making a gift, which I'm hoping to not show that many of them in the videos because I know that my friends tend to watch them, so there might not be as many as I would like, but that's okay. For now, enjoy the rest of this. So the next day after this, I randomly went on an impulsive yarn shopping trip because I needed some Christmas themed yarns, and I think that's okay. I had a lot of fun. Hi. So I just came home from school. It's Tuesday, I believe. Yeah, it's Tuesday the 2nd of December, and I don't have much time. The rest of my family is coming home in like an hour, and I want to get some gift packing done, and I can't do that around my family, so I'm quickly gonna show you the yarns that I got yesterday. Stop eating my flowers! He's so fat, he even eats flowers. I got these 2 for a price of 1 on a discount because each of these were 50% off. You can see the little tags there, and they are a beautiful red, and I also got a white in a very similar style, so I'm gonna be using that in maybe the next Vlogmas video to definitely try to make something for our Christmas tree. And then I also got this like beautiful glittery gold. I don't know what it's called, like the material wise. It just says it's polyester. That's it. What are you doing? They also had this in like a beautiful pink, about as pink as my hair, and I didn't take that one because we don't have anything pink on our tree. We usually have red and gold, so I just took these, and I'm gonna be using these to make some crafts later on. But right now I need to get to the gift packing because they are coming home really soon, and I'm still waiting on a second package because I tend to buy my gifts in 2 separate packages so that I can get one done a bit early, and then the other one, that's the late one. So let me prop up my camera and let's get to the gift packing. Also, I'm gonna try to keep this discreet because, as I said, I know that my friends like to watch my videos, but we'll see how exactly discreet it's gonna be. Also, this is very random while I'm trying to get it ready, but we finally put the lights up. I have blue lights in my room. I don't know why. I don't like the way they contrast with the yellow walls, but of course these aren't up to my choice. These are up to my parents. So I have to stop yipping and get to the packing. Okay, so my mom's coming home soon, so I gotta clean all of this up. But I managed to get 3 of those done. They are looking super cute. 2 of them are for my friends, and I'm probably gonna pack the rest in the next videos because right now I don't have the time. So let's get onto a few of those little Christmas ornaments that I want to make, and then we're probably gonna end the video. We'll see how we'll be there on time, so let's go. Okay, so it's a few days later. It's Thursday the 4th right now, and I am about to start making some of those Christmas ornaments that I was talking about from these 2 beautiful yarns. Look at how sparkly it is. While I talk about what I did in the meantime. Oh, that's an ugly circle. Ew. So I'm not sure when was the last time that I filmed. I think it was Tuesday, I'm not sure, but just in case, I'm gonna do a recap of the whole week, where on Monday I just had regular school. On Tuesday it was basically the same thing, but we had some sort of like MacBook thing at my school. I honestly don't know what that was about. Then on Wednesday we have like a Christmas tradition here in my country with like a Saint Nicholas thing. I think that's what he's called in English. Santa from Wish comes along and he brings angels and demons with him, and he walks around and he talks to kids if they like, you know, sin and that kind of thing, and he's just like the pre-Christmas spirit kind of thing. And obviously the demons and angels are there to represent heaven and hell, and I was a demon this year. I might have a video, so if I do, then there's probably the video on screen right now, and we had lots of fun. I'm trying to muster up a ball pattern out of my head while I'm talking, and it's not working exactly. So that was Wednesday, that was yesterday, and now it's Thursday, and today wasn't exactly eventful. Oh yeah, no wait, today was eventful. I had a presentation for the younger years because we have like a peer thing at my school where we make presentations and competitions For example, we did the St. Nicholas thing at my school, and next up we have a competition for the best decorated Christmas tree. It's very simple, but it like spices up school life quite a lot, especially when you're at the home stretch, which is sometime around Christmas right now, and you're just trying to get those last weeks of school through you. And then somebody announces something like this and you're like, oh yeah, no, this is actually something fun that I can look forward to. Tomorrow is gonna be another pretty uneventful day. Remember how I said I was waiting for the package? Yeah, so it was stuck for a week in Prague, which is the capital of my country. I don't know why it was there for a week. Usually it's only there for like 2 days or overnight, so that they can, like, you know, give it to the courier to like get to the local branch of the delivery company. But for some reason it was just taking forever. I feel like the next Vlogmas is gonna be a little bit less time crunched, because this one is just a singular week of my life, and then the next Vlogmas is gonna be 2 weeks. Also, why is it flat? I'm really hoping that this Christmas, specifically this year, ends up being a good Christmas. By that I mean to have actually Christmas appropriate weather, because this wet, foggy, whatever is going on outside is just not it. Also, another thing that I'm really excited for is the Christmas cartoons that are gonna be on TV during Christmas time. Because, I don't know, they just have a very special place in my heart, and I'm generally a big Christmas lover. So now I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna try to finish whatever the hell I'm doing over here, because I thought I was gonna do stripes, but I don't know what this is. I'll see you a little later. Okay, so I'm back a little while later and I think I might be done. I'm not sure. I settled on this little bell thing. It doesn't look great because I wasn't counting anything. I was just going off of how it looks. But I also found this little like bead, so I stuck it onto the tail of the magic ring that's up here. And you saw me attach this, and it has like a little surface crochet stitching in a cross shape. One of the very few times where I actually did surface crochet, because I hate doing surface crochet for some reason. So this is what I'm left with, and I'm gonna save this to go on the Christmas tree this year. So as always, if you like the video, then please make sure to leave me a like, a subscribe, and maybe if you want to share anything that you like about Christmas or whatever in this video, then you can also leave me a comment if you want. If you want more regular updates about stuff between videos, why videos take longer, shorter, what's going on, then definitely don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is going to be written down in the description, and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye, I love you.